Hey everyone, let's clean our makeup brushes, okay? So basically what I use is a key soap, bar soap. Any bar soap that you have, use it. And first of all, what you should note is that you shouldn't let the water touch the rest of the brush, only the bristles. Most of the brushes are being attached with the handle of the brush is being attached with glue. So when you normally use water to touch it, it might rip off. And as you can see, you first rub the bristles of the brush on the bar soap, and what I'm using is key soap, as I said before, and gently rub it in your palms, and you keep squeezing until everything comes off completely from the bristles. So you rub it gently on your palms, and then you use water to rinse thoroughly. Make sure you are generous with the water. And for me, key soap works like magic. So as you can see, everything is completely off, and I'm basically done with this, just as you can see. Now moving on to the next one, what I'm doing is, again, I am only applying water at the bristles and rubbing it on the key soap or on the bar soap gently, and then you rub it gently in your palms. And as you can see, like, the key soap works like magic for me. I don't know why, but it works like magic for me. I don't use any. At first I was using liquid soap, but then, or shower gel or shampoo, but then I found them to be an expensive way of doing it, and then I tried using key soap, and it works for me. It's been working for me so far. Do not let the rest of the brush or the handle touch the water, otherwise it might come ripping off. So you keep rinsing the bristles until you realize that everything is completely cleared off and you have clean bristles. You see, everything is gone, like completely clean bristles, and we are done. Moving on to the smaller brushes, you rub it side by side. So if you realized, the bigger brushes, I rubbed it like in circles on the key soap or on the bar soap, but then here you are rubbing it side by side, because it is small. When you rub it in circles, you are going to destroy the bristles. So just rub it side by side, and you maintain the shape of the brush. And you can see that this one is pretty dense with makeup because of the eyebrow. And it's basically the same method as the bigger brushes. So you use your fingers to run through the bristles and make sure that everything is completely gone. If you still realize there are still some makeup inside, just use the water in the soap and use your fingers gently to keep rubbing it until everything is washed off. Now moving on to these beauty blenders, you can see that they are heavily dirty with the makeup. So you rub it again with your bar soap and you squeeze. So this method, you rub it on the bar soap, you squeeze, you keep squeezing. You know, mostly with the beauty blenders, the edges and the bottom part is normally what where the parts that are mostly dented with makeup. So you rub it on the bar soap, you squeeze, you squeeze, you squeeze. So as you squeeze, you realize that the dirt is coming out in the foam, and you should be able to see the color of the foam. If the color of the foam comes out as white, it means, or you can clearly see that the makeup is washed off from the beauty blender. So you squeeze, you apply water, you squeeze, you apply water. And if you realize there's a part which still has a bit of makeup, you just continue rubbing it on the soap, and then you squeeze with soap, you squeeze, you soap, and then you'll be good to go. And that's exactly what I'm doing with this one. So you can see that this is like heavily dirtied with makeup. You keep squeezing, use water, keep squeezing, use water. I was saying keep scraping. Keep squeezing and use water. So that's what I'm basically going to do with all these beauty blenders, and then I would be good with my bar soap. It's so cheap, affordable, and I hope it's within your budget as well. And all my beauty blenders are done. If you don't know my name is Juliana. Please subscribe to my channel. I have other videos on makeup, on home decor, on bridal looks. So please subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification button so that you don't miss any of my videos. Talk to you soon and see you later. Bye.